Look at the scoreboard. 2024, Saudi Arabia joins China's Mbridge of the world's first cross-border digital currency platform for oil.
Night after night, these flames have burned for one currency, the US dollar. For 50 years, every barrel of oil that left these sands was priced, paid for, and recycled back into American power. But right now, something historic is happening in the dark. The desert kingdoms are quietly switching gears to the Chinese yuan.
My name is Sarah, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how two of the richest countries on earth
just decided that America no longer gets to print the world's energy money.
China now buys more Saudi oil than America and Europe combined.
Over 25% of the kingdom's crude flows east, and Saudi Arabia just said, fine, pay us in yuan.
Yeah, that's Saudi Arabia, the same country that promised Washington in 1974 they would never sell oil in anything but dollars. Guess what? Promises expire.
And then there's Qatar, the gas superpower nobody pays attention to until the pipes freeze in Europe. Doha is now writing LNG contracts with yuan pricing clauses for Chinese buyers.
Spot deals, long-term deals, doesn't matter.
They're doing it right now.
Here's why this is a big deal. Every time a barrel or a cargo is settled in yuan, the dollar loses a tiny piece of its monopoly. Multiply that by millions of barrels a day, and suddenly the dollar isn't the only king in town.
This isn't some back alley black market stuff. This is happening on China's official oil futures exchange.
The biggest crude futures market you've probably never heard of. And get this, those yuan contracts, they're physically deliverable and partially gold-backed. That's catnip for risk-averse sheikhs.
Let me be crystal clear. This is not charity. Riyadh and Doha are not abandoning the dollar tomorrow. They're hedging hard because they watched Russia get cut off from SWIFT. That could be us one day, if Washington gets angry enough.
And Beijing? Beijing is loving every second of this. They get to buy energy with money they print themselves.
No more begging for dollars. No more US sanctions risk. Just a beautiful, closed loop.
Saudi oil, Chinese factories, Gulf megacities built by Chinese contractors, paid in yuan.
Look at the scoreboard. 2024, Saudi Arabia joins China's Mbridge of the world's first cross-border digital currency platform for oil.
Aramco opens yuan bank accounts. Qatar sets up renminbi clearing hubs. Chinese banks open branches in Riyadh like it's the new Dubai.
1/5 already. And the Gulf just poured rocket fuel on that fire.
Here's the part that keeps Washington up at night. When the world's swing producer, Saudi Arabia's, and the world's LNG king, Qatar, voluntarily choose another currency, it stops being a trend. It becomes the new normal.
The petrodollar isn't dead. Not yet. But in the palaces of Riyadh and the glass towers of Doha, they're already writing its obituary, one yuan-denominated barrel at a time.
And the wind just shifted east.
Thanks for tuning in to International Trade Talk. We hope you found today's insights valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in global trade and economics.